Traffic Equalizer is really easy to use, but there is a lot of different features and functionality. Now, for the most part, you can use the default settings. So I'm going to give you a quick demo. First thing you need to do is create a project name. Let's go ahead and call this SEO. Then you need to click Create New Project. Next, you need keywords in order to generate the pages for your site. Now, you can use Keyword Harvester. You can manually type in the keywords. You can also import them from a text file. And if you happen to have a word tracker file, you can import those too. Let's go ahead and just use Keyword Harvester. That's the easiest. And I'm going to use the keyword phrase SEO. Have to enter the CAPTCHA text. And then just click Continue. Alright, we have our keyword list, and what I'm going to go ahead and do just for the sake of making a quick video is I'm just going to add all of these keywords to my list by clicking Add Results to Master List, and you can see that it added 91 keywords. Then just click OK, and you want to close out of this. Now, if I was really generating this site right now, I would definitely edit these keywords. I can see a lot right off the bat that I don't want to use. In fact, let's go ahead and show you one example. Let's just remove that one. And you can obviously just go down the list and tweak it as needed. Then you just need to hit the next button. Now from here, if you don't know how to edit HTML, then I suggest just simply leaving the default templates as is and clicking the next button. If you know how to edit HTML, then you can view and edit all three of these templates, and that way you can make it match the look and feel of your own website. But as I mentioned, we're going to keep this simple, so let's go ahead and just click the next button. Now from here you need to create an index name, and I'm going to use SEO, and we can also change the background color, which I'm just going to choose black. And next up, we would enter the homepage URL. This is the homepage of your website, so if your website is SEO.com, that's what you want to enter. And if you already have a sitemap.html file on your website, then you need to give this a different name. Otherwise, just leave that as is. Now we want to hit the next button. Now this is going to be the ad that appears on the pages that are generated at the top of each page. So I'm just going to create something basic, but you can, make this as catchy or, as long or as short as you like. It's totally up to you what you want to do. And if you have a different URL that you're promoting, you'd enter it here. This could be an affiliate link or anything that you like. I'm going to go ahead and put SEO.com again though. Then we just want to click the next button. Next up, we really don't need to do anything here. You can pretty much just leave everything as is. You can, if you want to have less keywords per page, then you can change this. In fact, I'll go ahead and change that to 25. And I'll go ahead and change the results per page to only 10. But this is just a personal preference. You can put anything in there. You can just leave the default settings. It really doesn't matter. Go ahead and click the next button. And we're not using a pop-up template, so we're going to skip this. And we're also going to leave this exactly as it is. Click the next button. And the last step is to save project and generate now. So I'm going to go ahead and click that button. Traffic Equalizer is now creating all of the pages. This will only take a minute or so. And if you use a lot of keywords, then of course it's going to take a little bit longer, but it's pretty quick at generating all of the pages, as you're about to see. Alright, it's done, and let's go ahead and open the output folder so we can show you what this looks like. So based on my project settings, it created 4 subdirectories, 1, 2, 3, 4, and each one of these has the results pages in there and also an index page. And you'll see that there's an XML sitemap file and also sitemap.html. So what you need to do now is upload all of these pages and folders to your website, and you can actually go to the next step and do that from within Traffic Equalizer if you like. You can just enter your FTP information, the server address, username, password, and if you have a different destination folder, you would enter that. Otherwise, it'll just go in your root directory. If you prefer to use your own FTP software, then just go ahead and use that. And really the only other step is after you upload all the pages, you need to add a link on your home page to your new sitemap.html. And your new sitemap.html links out to all the Traffic Equalizer pages, which link back to your home page. Now, if you have any questions, be sure to let us know, and I also suggest that you look the manual over, read that at least one time, and that should pretty much do it. Best of luck using Traffic Equalizer, and I hope you enjoyed this video.